Hello everyone, this is Shivang Bashne. Today we will learn what is library or modules in Python, how to use predefined libraries in Python, and how to create our own libraries in Python. In the earlier session we was discussed about the function, local variable and global variable. Now move to the topic of the day, that is library or modules. What is module or library in Python? It is a collection of predefined functions which can be used in your Python program once import that library. अगर हम अपनी प्रोग्राम में एक लाइब्रेरी को इंपोर्ट करा लेते हैं तो उसके इनसाइड जो भी फंक्शंस हैं उन सबको हम यूज कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग मॉड्यूल. There are two types of module in Python. First one is built-in or also known as inbuilt library, and second one is user defined library. So now move to the next topic, that is built-in library of Python. Built-in library, it means some library are already defined to the Python, and these are some math, random, statistics, numpy, pandas, date and date time, etc. These are the library which is defined earlier to the Python. Now how to use a module or library? By using import keyword from the module name, we can import the library into our program. Suppose if we have math library, then how to import math library? The syntax is given below. Import module name. If we want to execute a function from that library, then module name math, then dot function name. Function name in math there are many functions like power, exponential, cell, etc. Now built-in libraries example. If we calculate the square root function from the library from the math module, if first of all import math from the existing inbuilt library in Python, after that we defining a variable that is num. After that we calculate the square root of num by using the math dot sqrt function of num. Num is the value which is entered by the user. Next one is, in the last statement we print the square root of the num variable from the result. If we enter a number 36, then the program's output will be square root of 36 by first method is 6.0. Let's see how it returns the output. If we see the program named math import math.py, there are two methods by which we can calculate the square root of the variable. First one is import math. In second, a value which is entered by the user into the num, then we calculate the square root of num using the math keyword dot sqrt function. If we execute this, then what is the output? And enter a number. If we have a number that is 36 input by the user, what is returns? Square root of 36 by first method is 6.0. If we calculate the square root from math using from keyword, if we have number of functions inside our library, then we can import some functions, some specific functions from that library. from keyword is used before the math. Import sqrt. Here sqrt is only considered from math library. A equals to integer input, enter a number that is given by the user, then print the square of a by the second method. If we execute this by using the F5 keyword, then the first method 36. If we calculate the 64 by using the second method, then what returns to us? Square root of 64 by second method is 8.0. Now move to the user defined library. User defined library is created by the user for the reducing the length of the program, or it can be used number of times whenever required. User defined library into our Python program. Then how the syntax is user defined library. For example, I describe a function name my own function using the def keyword. Inside the my own function we print hello from a function. Here some functions are defined into a file named example. Here import math, it is a predefined library. From math we are using two functions from the math.py, math.power. After writing this program, we will save the file named example.py extension. Here if we give some command using import module, import example.by, from by function it returns thanks for visiting. Next, example.greet, it returns welcome Shivang Vasne. It returns welcome Shivang Vasne. It concatenate welcome with Shivang Vasne. Next, example.area rectangle. Here the value of L and B are given inside the parenthesis, that is 5 and 4. So it returns the area of rectangle having length 5 and 4, having length 5 and breadth 4 is 20. Next, my own function. Here I did not assign the module name before my function name, that is my own function. That's why it returns nothing. If we write before my own functions the name of the file example, then it returns the statement inside the output of the inside statement inside the my own function. Here's the file name of our program, that is example.py. Here we define some functions inside the example.py. First one is my own functions. Inside my own functions we print a string hello from a function. Whenever we call my own function, then it returns hello from a function. Here we are importing the math library into this example.py file. Next, def greet. Here we create a function named greet. Inside the greet we using a parameter that is name. Inside the greet function we can concatenate name with welcome as a string. In next function, that is area of rectangle, here two parameters are defined. Using the L and B we are calculating the area of rectangle. Next, area of circle. Here we are using the math function math.py, math.power. Py function and power function are used from the math library. Then it returns the area of circle. Next is def by. Here we create a function named by. Inside the by function we print a command Thanks for visiting. Let's execute into the Python shell. Here we are using the example module, that is user defined module. Inside user defined module example, we are using some functions example.by, yani then it is the syntax of writing the command from which we can import a function from that library. First of all, example.by, second is example.greet Shivang Vasne, third one is example.area of rectangle, that is 5 and 4. We are storing the value of L and B respectively 5 and 4. Next, example.myOwn function, what returns it to us. Let's see what it returns to us by using the F5 key. Thanks for visiting. From the first function, that is by, it returns thanks for visiting. Inside we defined the next is welcome Shivang Vasne. Welcome comes from greet function, which is concatenate with welcome string. Next is area of rectangle having length 5 and breadth 4 is 20. Now next is example.myOwn function does not returns any value. We did not use parenthesis after the function name, that's why it's create an error. Let's see again the output of this import example module.py file. Next, thanks for visiting, welcome Shivang Vasne, area of rectangle is 20, and hello from a function from the example.myOwn function. Also an example of predefined functions, that is statistics. Import statistics list1, in which we defined a list data type. Next, a equals to statistics, that is name of the function, name of the module. Next, dot name of the function from the statistics library. Mean of what? Mean of list1. We calculate the mean of list1 by using the mean function of statistics library. Print mean of list1 is equals to from the A. We can directly execute by using statistics mean of list1 instead of assigning a value to the A variable. If we want to use mean, mode, median, standard deviation, variance of all these functions from statistics, we also use from keyword from statistics import mean, mode, median, standard deviation, variance, etc. The output will be same, but the written way is changed. If you like the video, then you can like, subscribe and share to the other peoples which wants to see or learn the Python. Thank you.